Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name of my channel is English Learning Kit. Today I am going to tell you another interesting story. You all know this story, but still I am telling this story once again. So friends, without getting late, let's start this story. So friends, once there lived an old man and an old woman. One day, the old man said his wife that, "Do make a boon for me." Then the old woman took out some flour out of a box. Then she made a dough. Then she made a little round bone out of a dough. Then she baked it and she kept it on the window sill to be cool. After some time, the little round bone rolled down from the window sill to a bench, and from the bench to the floor, and from the floor to the door. In this way, the little round bone rolled out of the gate. While it was rolling down along the road, on the road it met a rabbit. Suddenly, the rabbit said, "Stop, little round bone, I am going to eat you up." Then the little round bone said, "Please don't do that. Let me sing a song for you." Then the little round bone started singing like this. Taken out of flour box made into a dough. Taken out of flour box made into a dough, and baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. And baked in the oven and cooled on the sill. I ran away from grandpa, I ran away from grandma. And I will run away from the rabbit this minute, I will, this minute, I will, this minute, I will. After this, the little round bone started rolling once again. And the rabbit fell to eat the little round bone. So friend, this much for today, and I will come back in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.